Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Sorry for the delay. Has been some technical issues. So that's why they got delayed. Okay. So can you all just recall like what we learned last time? What have we covered? Yes, you all can hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what did you cover last time?
சார் லாஸ்ட் 15 மினிட்ஸ்க்குள்ள நான் எனக்கு கனெக்ஷன் இஷ்யூ ஆகி நான் லெஃப்ட் ஆயிட்டேன் சார்.
I
அதுக்கு
see.
முத வரைக்கும் இந்த ஆட்டோகேட்குள்ள வந்து ஒவ்வொரு லெட்டர்ஸுக்கு என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன்.
Mm-hmm. என்ன வரைக்கும் கவர் பண்ணேன்? என்ன ஷார்ட்கட் வரைக்கும் பார்த்தேன்?
சார் கடைசியா எஃப் எஃப் பார்த்தோம், யூஎன் பார்த்தோம், எக்ஸ், எஸ்சி.
Mm-hmm. What else?
சார்
ஆட்கள் குறைவா இருக்கீங்க.
அந்த
Just 70.
ரிமைண்டர் போடல போல குரூப்ல.
Some issues, ne? I also received the link
நானும்
late.
பார்த்த கிளாஸ் இருக்காதுன்னு நினைச்சேன் சார். ரிமைண்டர் வளமையா போடுவாங்க.
அதான். Okay.
ரிமைண்டர் வந்து போட
So
சொல்லுங்க.
okay. So I have set them to put a reminder. We'll see. Yeah, so we learned about trim, offset, fillet, text, extend, things like that. Okay. So now we'll see if I ask you people to do a part of a drawing, let's say. Let's consider which part. Which one I want to do now. So go to this one. Okay, we'll go from some basic things. Fine. So I want you people to draw this. Okay, without units, let's say, not feet or not inches, anything like that. Let's try to do this. Okay. So what I will do is I will share a screenshot to you, so you can save it onto your phone or PC, whatever, and then you can give me the commands. Then we will draw this. Okay. So on the chat box, everybody please check the chat box. I have sent a screenshot of this image. So I want to draw the window W3. I think everybody has seen the message, right? Okay. So now you should give me the command. Right. See, we'll open a new one. Okay. So from the first step, what is the initial step we do? What is the first step we do? I want to draw the W3 window. How do I do it? Everybody able to listen and can hear me, right? എല്ലാവർക്കും കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് വേണ്ടാണ് audible ne? Okay, only messages are coming. They are saying yes sir, but why no one is speaking? I need commands. With the commands we will do the drawing
Yes, sir.
together.
We can hear you, sir.
Okay, good. So what is the first command? S. Somebody has said S, sir. What does S stand for? Okay, give me the commands.
Line thanks.
Okay, so first time line tana.
Sir?
First command line tana.
Yeah, sir.
Somebody has said units, and somebody has said U. First of all, set the units. So Mayuration is saying UN. Okay. Okay. So what is the unit you are going to set this one into? So there are like architectural, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. Which one are we going to set?
Architectural.
Architectural. Okay. Next. What do we do? Next, what we do? I didn't hear you. Precision. So precision, which one are you going to choose? You'll choose 0, 0. And I'll choose inches. It's already in inches. And then I'll say, okay, fine. So I think you all have the image, right? With you? So I'll open that. So this is the image we need, right? So let's say we just copy it and keep it. We don't need this one, right? So I'll copy this. So this is the image we need to draw, right? So initially what we do? So some people have certain issues with the connection. Okay, tell me, quick. What we do now? What is our initial step after setting the units? What is the next step we do? Somebody speak. Okay. So Shuhad has said to put REC. What about other people?
Rectangle tana sir.
Okay. So we are going to put REC. Enter. So what is the dimension of the rectangle I'm going to put? Mayuration has said we can use the lines also. Of course, we can use lines and the rectangle REC also. Both can be used. So REC, what are the input data we have to put? Yeah, for the rectangle, what I'm going to choose? What is the length and the width?
2 അടി and 2 ഇഞ്ച് தான் sir.
2 അടി 2 ഇഞ്ച് എങ്ക 2 അടി 2 ഇഞ്ച് இருக்கு?
Sorry. இல்ல 5 அடி.
5 அடி எங்க இருக்கு? எதுன்னு ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்கா சொல்லணும். Like there are so many things. So someone is telling me to put DIM for feet and 10 inches down. Okay, let's see. Tell me, quick. There are 21 people. Why no one is speaking? So someone has dropped a message 6 feet and then 4 feet and 10 inches. So we'll go ahead with that. So 6 feet. And we'll put comma 4 feet and 10 inches. Okay, so your screen's got stuck. Okay, just a minute. Give me a moment. Visible? Something is wrong, maybe. Okay, maybe the internet connection is something wrong with that. Okay, now it's clear, I think. Screen is working. So, yeah, who said the answer? Yeah, x-axis 14. So, x-axis, so that is the initial one. So, we are going to input 410. 4 feet. Oh, sorry. 10 inches. Surely somebody should speak. Only one person is telling the screen is not working. Others, I don't know what's happening. You should tell me if there's any issues that you cannot see. So just give me a moment and just reset my network. Give me a moment. Hello guys. Can see my screen, right? It's all clear, working. Sorry, excuse me. Was a little bit of issue. So is it clear for them? Clear for everyone? Can see the screen? Also can hear me, right? Okay. So now we'll see. So what is the dimension of the window we need? 4 feet 10 inches and 6 feet height. Neither. Okay. So we'll put REC, enter. So we have the x-axis and the y-axis. Neither. So initially you have to put the x-axis value, right? So we need 4 feet and then 10 inches. And next we need 6 feet, right? Okay. So we get the outline of the diagram, right? So we have got the external part, the out one. So what is the distance between the outside and the inner one? What is the thickness? What is the thickness of the frame?
2 inches.
2 inches. So what we can do? What is the next command we give? Yeah, what is the next step we do?
So in a rectangle,
No rectangle. How?
2 inch thin வச்சுட்டு சார் இன்னொரு ரெண்டு பக்கமும் ரெண்டு அடியில வச்சுட்டு வரையலாம் தானே சார்?
வரையலாம். எப்படி வரைகிறது?
திருப்பி
சொல்லுங்க.
இருட்டு.
எங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றது? Where do I start my rectangle? Yes, I can see that you are
From middle point, sir.
from. How do you get that rectangle from midpoint? Where do you find the midpoint of rectangle?
Not the rectangle. Side, right side or left side, or anything, any place I can.
How?
Do we have to see the dimension?
Oh, yes, let's see. So what is the command to check the dimensions?
DIM.
Just now I joined, sir. I don't know what's happened till now.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, because of that grandchildren, you see, will you? Now when I talk, voice will come.
Yeah, again, it's like,
Yeah. After long time, they have come.
that's it.
Yeah. Anyhow, I'll manage. I'll join the class.
Okay, fine. Okay, so now the height is visible, ne? Dimensions are visible, right? Okay, only I think 2, 3, yeah, only 3 people have said the answer, not only, yeah. What we shall do? We can't draw any random rectangle back again. Okay, let's say if you're going to do that, I'm going to do a rectangle. So what are the length and width of my rectangle if I'm going to draw like that? Only Mayureshan and Shuhada has said the correct answer. What we should do next? What about others? I need people to think. I can't just directly give the answer. Okay, we'll do like this. Okay, because we have known all the commands what to do. So you should tell me the commands now. Yes, speak up, people. It's only like out of 19 or 20, only 2 who have known the answer means what is this? What do you guys do then? Yes. You tell me the answers. Okay. We can't draw another rectangle. Why? What is the issue with that? Do you know which point are you going to start the rectangle? Where do you select it? From where to start like? So what we have to do is, we have to do a offset. Equal distance from all the lengths. So what is the command for offset?
O.
Okay, so I put O, enter. So what is the distance? What is the offset distance I need? We have the image, right?
2 feet.
2 inches.
2 inches. Nadir, 2 feet.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So I will type 2. See, very simple. So I have got the inner part as well. Now what I should do? Now which one I should draw? So I have covered this part. Yes.
Trim, master.
Why do you need to trim now? Which one? So in the outside part, this part is done. Okay, I can see my screen. This question. So I have a doubt about dividing the rectangle into 2 parts because there is no line appearing in the center. Why there is no line appearing in the center? Because we have not on the snap mode. If we on the snap mode, I'm going to draw a line. Yeah, the midpoint will show when you're on the snap mode. Okay. Alright, so we need to draw this center line, right? We need to draw the center line first. Then only we'll have to trim it. So you have to draw a center line in between this. You all can see. So there's going to be a center line coming here. Can see? So this one I'm going to draw a center line. Fine. Do you all agree with what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If there's any question or something, just ask me. Silent. Okay. So we'll draw this one. Line. Done. What should I do next?
சார்
What is the next step? சொல்லுங்க.
சார் சார் மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து 2 இன்ச் தள்ளி லைன் எடுத்து லைன் ஒன்று வரையலாதா சார்? இப்படி
வரையலாம்.
சென்டர் எடுக்கிறத விட அப்படி வரையலுமா சார்?
சென்டர் லைன் வரையாம எப்படி எடுக்கிறது ஆஃப்செட் எல்லாம்?
மிட் பாயிண்ட் எங்களுக்கு தெரியும் தானே சார்?
ஓகே.
மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து 2 இன்ச்சஸ் தள்ளி
மிட் பாயிண்ட் வந்து 2 inches. 2 inches பண்ண கஷ்டமாகுமே. 1 inchனா சென்டர் தானே.
இல்ல தின் வந்து 2 இன்ச்சஸ் தானே சார்? நான்
ஓ
நினைக்கிறேன்.
2 inches இங்க ஓகே ஆல்ரெடி டன் தானே. இது 2 inches தானே.
இல்ல சார், அந்த கெப்ப சொல்றேன் சார். ரெண்டு பிரிக்கக்குள்ள ரெண்டுக்கு மிக்கிற நடு.
இந்த லைன் தானே சொல்றீங்க?
ஓ சார்.
ஓகே, இதுல என்ன செய்யணும்?
அந்த படத்தை கொஞ்சம் காட்டுங்களேன் சார்.
நான் இங்க படமா காட்டுறேன்.
சார் அந்த அந்த வரைக்கும் தானே சார்? நீங்க சென்டர்ல இப்ப கோடு போட்டீங்க தானே சார் ரெண்டா
ஓ
பிரிக்கிறதுக்கு?
ஓ அது இங்கே தானே வருது. அது ரெண்டுக்கும் நடுவுலயே வருது.
ஓ சார், அதான் சொல்றேன் சார். அந்த அணைக்குள்ள அந்த இடைவெளி வந்து 2 இன்ச்சஸ் தானே சார்? ரெண்டுக்கும் அதுக்கு இப்ப வந்து நான் மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல சாரி மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து ஓகே 1 இன்ச் தான் சார். மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து 1 இன்ச் எடுத்து லைனை வரையலாமான்னு கேட்கிறேன்.
வரையலாம், நோ இஷ்யூஸ். நீங்க என்ன சொல்றீங்கன்னு இப்படித்தானே.
அப்ப ட்ரிம் பண்ண தேவையில்லையே சார், ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வரைஞ்ச மாதிரி போயிருங்க.
எஸ் அஃப்கோர்ஸ் கேன் டூ. ஸோ இங்கேருந்து நாங்கள் 1 inch இந்த சைடில் டிரெக்ஷனில் வரைய போகிறோம் தானே. ஸோ 1 inch எடுத்தாச்சு. எடுத்ததோட கீழே கொண்டு இங்கே ஜாயின் பண்ணியாச்சு. What should I do next?
இடது பக்கமும் 1 இன்ச் எடுத்து
அப்படி செய்யலாம். இல்லாட்டி வேற what is another command? ஒன் இன்ச் வரையாமலே இது பண்ணலாமே. ஐ கேன் புட் M1. மிரர் பண்ணலாமேண்ணா. I can do a mirror. So I have already chosen what I'm going to mirror. So this is the midpoint. So I'm choosing left side. Then enter. So I have got the mirror image. And I'm going to delete the center line. Okay.
ஓகே சார்.
Clear? அதுக்கு பிறகு நான் செய்ய போறேன். I'm going to do the trim. TR double enter. 1 2. I'm deleting. And again I'm deleting. So why this line didn't get deleted? When I'm trim, we did a trim. Only this part got deleted. Why this part didn't get deleted? What's the reason? Bandora has joined after a long time. Yes, Nadir, why this line didn't in the line delete ஆகல? We did a trim now.
சார் அது அந்த மூணு டொட்டையும் அந்த கிரீன் கலர் வந்து ஃபுல்லா மறைக்கணும் சார். மறைச்சதான் ட்ரிம் பண்ணி படும்.
அதோட இப்போ நாங்க செப்பரேட்டா வந்த லைன் தானே நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி அந்த சென்டர்ல இருந்து 1 inch பண்ணி.
ஓ சார்.
அப்ப இது வந்து ஒரு செப்பரேட்டான லைன். அப்ப அது வந்து அதோட ட்ரிம் ஆக சான்ஸ் இல்ல. அது ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் லைனா இருந்தது. லெட்ஸ் சே இந்த லைன் இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா,
ஓகே சார்.
இப்படி கம்ப்ளீட் லைன் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அப்ப ட்ரிம் பண்ணலாம். இப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா வில் போட் TR டபுள் என்டர். சாரி, here also same issue. இது ஒரு சிங்கிள் லைன் தானே வரைஞ்சிருக்கான். அப்ப நான் டிலீட் பண்ற ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கக்குள்ள ட்ரிம் ஆகாது. இது ஒரு பெரிய எக்ஸ்டெண்டட் லைனா இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா ட்ரிம் பண்ணலாம். ட்ரிம்னா ஒரு பெரிய பகுதியில சின்ன பகுதியை நாங்க எடுக்கிறோம். இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் நாங்க ஜஸ்ட் ஹேவ் டு delete பண்றதுதான். சரியா?
அப்ப சின்ன பாதியை ட்ரிம் பண்ண முடியாதா இல்லாட்டி?
இல்ல இப்ப சொல்லுவேன். Let's say an example like this. இப்படி ஒன்று இருக்கு. சரியா? இதுல நான் இப்படி ஒரு லைன் அடிக்கிறேன்னு வச்சுக்கலாங்க. Fine. Now if I want to delete this part, the in between, in this instance I can do a trim. Clear? Trim, it will get trim. சரியா? பட் இப்ப சொல்லுவாங்க இந்த பார்ட்டை வந்து எனக்கு ட்ரிம் பண்ணிடலாமா? இந்த லென்த் கேன் ஐ ட்ரிம் திஸ் பார்ட்?
இல்ல சார்.
வை?
அது ஒரு செவ்வகத்துல முடிவோ
முடிவு அப்படி இல்லை. இது வந்து ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் ரெக்டாங்கிள்ங்கிறது ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஒரு சிங்கிள் லைன் தான் பாருங்க. இஃப் ஐ செலக்ட் இட்ஸ் கமிங் ஆஸ் a whole part.
அதான் சொன்னேன். ஃபுல்லா
So,
ஒரு செவ்வகமா இருக்குது. அத
இருக்கும். சரியா? லெட்ஸ் ட்ரை tr என்டர் என்டர். எப்படி வருது? Here it will get trimmed. Fine. The single lines are இதை ட்ரிம் பண்ணிட்டு நான் இப்படி ஒரு லைன் வரைவேன். So what do you think about this line? இந்த லைன் இப்ப மறுபடியும் ட்ரிம் பண்ண இயலுமா? Can I trim this one?
எழும் தானே சார்.
ஏன்னா இது ஒரு சிங்கிள் லைன், இப்படி ஒரு லைன் தானே. இந்த மாதிரி லைன் பீசஸ் வந்து ட்ரிம் பண்ண இயலாது. ஒரு லைனா இருக்குது, மற்ற லைன்ஸ் ட்ரிம் பண்ணலாம். ஃபைன். இது கொஞ்சம் போக போக உங்களுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண தான் விளங்கும். நான் இப்ப சொல்லக்கூட சம்டைம்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு விளங்காது. ஏன்னா இஃப் நீங்களே AutoCAD இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணாட்டி அது தெரியாது. வேற ஏதோ கட் பண்ண லோகத்துல பேசுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். இப்போ இவ்வளவு தூரம் வந்தாச்சு. அடுத்த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் after this, what do you do? So we have covered this bit and the outside also. So what is our next step? Now next step should be very easy. Okay, so Shuhada has said create offset again. Okay, so we're going to put offset again. What is the offset length we should put?
Calling.
There are other only Nadir is speaking.
Sir?
நீ மட்டும் தான் கழிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. யாரும் கரெக்டாங்க. Myoration need answers. Okay. So Shuhada has said offset of 4. So what you're going to do, you're going to select this. Select, let's see. Then you're going to go to offset O, enter. So you're going to type 4, enter. So I can choose on this side. I don't need to draw this side. So offset, I'm choosing this one. So again, it's coming around this. So I choose offset, and then for this one is the offset, and then offset. So there are certain lines which I want to delete. I want to remove this small line, this small line, this small line, and this one. So what I'm going to do, I'll do the trim, tr, double enter, enter, enter. Fine. So we have the final product. So pretty simple. Fine. So we'll do another one.
Yes, sir.
We'll do another one for a different one. Okay.
Circle shape ல உள்ளதா ஏதாவது செய்யுங்க சார்.
நான் செய்ய போறதில்ல, நீங்க தான் செய்ய போறீங்க. சொல்ல போறீங்க, நான் செய்ய போறேன்.
சரி சார்.
So now one. Okay. I share image. Image. You all can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Or else I have shared the image also in the chat. Okay, now you people are going to command. I have shared in the chat box. So what is the unit we have?
Architecture.
Unit.
Feet
Meter,
inches.
feet. In the feet and inches.
என்ன சார் கேட்டீங்க?
Unit என்னது இருக்குன்னு கேட்டேன். It's unit class. Unit on a portal. 1.55 and dark. Yeah, it's like, it's not in feet. So it can be meters, right? Could be. So we will do it in meters, ne? Okay. So we'll open a new one. So somebody else now give the commands what we do. So I opened a new one. Initially, what is the first step I should do?
Units.
Units, UN, enter. Then let's say you are going with decimal, and then let's say precision. I can go with which one? What is the precision I'm going to choose? Should I choose the first one or second or third one?
Third one, sir.
Second one.
So somebody said second one, somebody said third one. What is the reason?
ஏன்னா இது பைட பெருமானம் 3.14 தானே சார். அது 2 தசமா இருந்தது சார் ஆக்சுவலி.
அதனால யார் சொன்ன பைட வெளிமானம் 3.14 சொல்லி?
இல்ல தான் சார் வளமையா யூஸ் பண்ற
வளமையா அப்படி சொல்லல. அதுனா அப்ப லைஃப் ஆஃப் பை இந்த படத்துல ஒரு இதெல்லாம் போயிருங்க.
After the decimal point, it shows only one digit.
On only digit. See, it's 2.5. It's 1.5. So we need only the second precision is 0.0. That's enough for this one, right? So we should choose that one. Then we say, so we're going to do it in, let's say, millimeters or meters. Okay, we'll choose meters and then we'll see. Okay. Now tell me.
Circle C.
Okay. Padam par padathai varai avathan. Okay. Let's say C, enter. Next.
வரேங்க சார்.
பேசாம ஒரு AI கமாண்ட் இது ஒன்று கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம்னா. Okay. What should we do next? So C enter is there. Okay. What is the value I'm going to put?
படத்தை கொஞ்சம் காட்டுங்க சார்.
அது chatல போட்டிருக்கேனே, மெசேஜ்ல போட்டிருக்கேனே, பார்க்கறதே இல்ல போல. வேற other people should speak.
எனக்கு காட்ட மாட்டேங்குது சார் இதுல.
chatன்னு ஒரு இது ஒன்று இருக்கு உங்களோட இதுல. மியூட், ஸ்டார்ட் வீடியோ, பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ், chatன்னு ஒன்று இருக்கு. போல்ஸ் எல்லாம்
சார் chatல காட்ட மாட்டேங்குது சார்.
chatல மெசேஜ்ல இல்லையா?
மெசேஜ் இல்ல சார்.
848 எல்லாருக்கும் மெசேஜ் ஒன்று போட்டிருக்கேன்.
ரீஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ணுங்க வரும்.
என்ன நதீர்? So everybody can see the chat ne, the image.
சார் நான் அப்டேட் பண்ணல போல, எனக்கு காட்ட மாட்டேங்குது.
அப்டேட்டா?
Zoom அப்டேட் பண்ணல போல.
வலிமை ஃபேன் அப்டேட் தேவை.
நான் தளபதி ஃபேன் சார்.
வெரி குட். எல்லாம் முக்கியம். ஓகே, நதிருக்காக. So this is the image. Yeah, others also should speak. Only one guy is speaking and telling what to do and all. Vandarko, Dushantan, Isuru, Kirtana, Mayuration. Where is the answers? I need answers. Tell. This is the diagram we have. So what is the command we should start with? Tell me. Finally, we need the drawing to be done. Tell what we can do. So Mayuration has sent the message to me. Okay. So what is the radius of the circle we are going to draw? First of all, let's think about the inner circle. So what should be the radius? That is Shuhada, Sulaiha, Hamsawahini, Nisuru, Nadir, Nazrin, Ruwan, Shahida. Answers. Yeah, we can use offset for circles also. For any shape, we can do offset. It's not only limited to rectangles and things like that.
circle radius வந்து 3.5 meters சாமி.
எங்க போட்டிருக்கு 3.5 ன்னு சொல்லி?
4 meters.
It's actually அது வந்து diameterக்கு போடுற மார்க், சரியா? So this
சார் சென்டர்ல தானே சார் அந்த 3.5 அந்த அம்புக்கு சென்டர்ல தானே சார் இருக்குது?
Yes.
அப்ப அது ஆரே தானே சார் இனி?
அது ஆரை தான். இங்க ஒன்னு போட்டிருக்கு விளங்குதா? Can you see this one?
சார்.
அது என்னது?
அது சுற்றளவா?
இல்ல. 3.5 radius வச்சுட்டு சுற்றளவேல வருமா?
இல்ல சார், சாரி சார்.
Don't make me to teach 2πr.
Sorry sir, I forgot.
Sorry sir. Yes sir, no sir. அது வந்து diameter. இந்த சிம்பல் வந்து diameter யூஸ் பண்றது. So mostly circles, if you are going to mention circles வந்து diameter வச்சு தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணி யூசுவலா சொல்றது. அப்படி அதாவது இப்படி like if you are showing here இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு circumference சுற்றளவை அரவ் பண்ணி காட்டி if you are showing this way should always put the diameter. If you are showing from the center, you can give the diameter. So there are two options you can use. Either you can give the radius like this from the center to the circumference, or you can directly give the diameter by just pointing at the circumference. So don't forget this. I may be asking next times. Okay. So we are going to draw the inner. So inner one is 3.5. Okay. So I'm going to enter. Done. So Yeah, there's a message saying then we can use it now also to draw the inner circle. So she has said we can use offset. Okay. So we are going to do offset for this one as well. Ne? Let's try how it works. Okay, what is the offset we need now? Inner radius is 3.5. Sorry, we had drawn the external circle, the outer circle, 3.5. And there's an inner circle. What is the radius of the inner circle?
சொல்ல பார்த்தேன் சார், சொன்ன கலாய்ப்பீங்கன்னு சொல்லல சார்.
எது ரசா?
வரைஞ்சிக்கிறது வெளியே உள்ள வட்டம்னு சொல்ல பார்த்தேன்.
Okay. Okay, good. So we had drawn the outer circle, which is with a radius of 3.5. So we need to draw the inner circle. So we are going to do a offset. So what should be the offset now?
உள்வட்டத்துல ஆரே வந்து 2 சென்டிமீட்டரா?
2. So அப்ப offset ஆகல எவ்வளவு ஆகணும்? With 3.5 the radius we have drawn. So what is the difference between that? 1.5. 1.5. So 1.5. So we will get the inner circle. Oh, sorry. Fine, I can draw inside or I can draw outside. So we have to choose where we are going to draw. Fine. So we are done with the circles. What is the next step we do? You don't think too much. Just we can draw either on the, like, it's like a small kid doing a drawing. Like connecting here to here, drawing a line, then erasing, things like that will happen.
So then we can draw rectangles.
Rectangle from where to where? Where do we have a rectangle?
வெளியே உள்ள வட்டத்துல
below the outer circles.
Below the outer circle, so Bandar is telling to draw a rectangle. Okay, where is the starting point? Where do you start the rectangle?
So below and middle part, sir.
So how do you find the middle part of the circle now? Was trying to do a split screen, but my Windows is not the new latest one, so I can't do that easily. Yeah, I need answers. Think. Very easy solutions we have. Let's say I will give a small hint. I'm going to draw a line. See, I can see the center.
சென்டர்ல இருந்து நிலைக்குத்தா ஒரு லைன் வரைஞ்சி
நிலைக்குத்தா horizontal, right?
Okay.
Vertical. இப்படித்தானே?
sir.
Okay. சரி, இப்படி ஒரு லைன் வரைய போறோம். சரியா? ஓகே, நீட்டா வரைஞ்சாச்சு. What is the next step I do?
சார் அந்த வெளிய வட்டத்துல நிலைக்குத்து கோடு வெற்ற இடத்தை வந்து மிட் பாயிண்டா எடுத்து ரெக்டாங்கிள் வரையதான் சொல்றீங்க.
Okay. Why do you all go with a rectangle always? So I can use line also, no?
லைன் வரையலாம் சார்.
Okay. So what is the line you are going to draw from the center?
லெஃப்ட்டுக்கு 5 மீட்டர், ரைட்டுக்கு 5 மீட்டர், டோட்டலா 10 மீட்டர் வந்து சார்.
Okay. So L command, I'm going to start. So this side I'm going to go 5, enter. And this side I'm going to go 5, enter, done. Next step, what I do?
சார் அந்த முடிவுல இருந்தும் ஆரம்பத்துல இருந்தும் கீழ் நோக்கி 5 மீட்டர்ஸ்ல நிலைக்குத்தா கோடு வரையணும்.
இருந்து ரசா 5 meters. நிலை
ஸ்டார்ட்
குத்தா
பாயிண்ட்ல சார் கீழ் நோக்கி இந்த சார் டவுட் ஒன்று சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
அந்த படத்துல எது சார் படம் எது அளவீடு கொஞ்சம் சொல்றீங்களா சார்? கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிருக்குது.
இது அளவிடைனா
இது அளவுக்கு மார்க் பண்ண கோடு அந்த அதுவும் அந்த டிராவிங்கும் எது எதுன்னு விளங்குதில்லை சார்.
See, these are arrows.
ஓகே சார்.
இதெல்லாம் arrows. இதெல்லாம் arrows. அதுக்கு தான் ஒரு பிக்சர் ஒன்று செப்பரேட்டாக போட்டேன். Then you can zoom and see these are arrows, Putha, to show
சார்
the
அந்த ஸ்பேஸ்
dimensions.
அந்த ஸ்பேஸ் ஒண்டி தானே சார்? தான் சார் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. அதோட சேர்ந்த கோலைனா இல்லாட்டி அது வேறையா அளவு காட்டுறதுக்காக வச்சீங்க?
Actually, you see this side. This is the actual image. Whatever you see on this side, இந்த side ஒரு mirror image தான் இங்கிட்டு வரப்போகுது. So the actual image is this shape. It's kind of like 2 circles, and then you are drawing some 2 tangents, things like that. Okay. So there is no width to the rectangle. Okay, what is the width? So we have drawn the 2 lines. What is the next step we do? Quickly tell me.
2.5 அந்த லைன் அங்க வரைஞ்சேன் சார்.
2.5. You mean to say horizontal or vertical?
நிலை குத்தா சார்.
குத்துவேன். Now you should tell horizontal or vertical. நிலை குத்து கிடை அந்த கதை சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்க சரி வராது.
சரி சரி, நீ பழகிக்கொள்றேன்.
பழகிக்கொள்ளணுமா? இனி பேச மாட்டாரு. ஓகே.
ஹாரிசான்டல்
ஹாரிசான்டல்
சார் கன்ஃபியூஸ் சார். ஹாரிசான்டல் நிலை குத்தா, வெர்டிகல்னா நிலை குத்தான்னு கன்ஃபியூஸ் சார்.
ஓகே. வெர்டிகல் வி மேல் நோக்கி போகுது. அப்ப அது அப்படி நினைச்சுக்கோங்க. ஷார்ட்.
ஓகே சார். ஹாரிசான்டல் கிடை.
Okay, so L. I'm going to draw downwards 2.5. Done. So it's like this. We can continuously draw and go. See, the lines are coming. So if I'm going to go, so I have covered this line. So I should go left side 2.5 back again, right? Okay. So I'm going to go this side 2.5. Done. So I'm going to do repeat the same thing back side on this side. So what is the very shortest way I can do?
Mirror, sir?
Yes, good. I can choose these two, or else like we can completely draw one side and do a mirror. We can complete this one also in the rectangle part also, right? So the rectangle part, see, it's 45 degrees. So 45 degrees means both the length should be same, height and the width. So see, 1.5, 1.5. So what we can do, we can draw a line which is 1.5 coming upwards and coming this right side also 1.5, right? Then I can connect these 2 lines, right? I can delete this part. Okay. So we have covered the right path. See, can see the picture? Is that clear? Everybody's clear with what you have done so far?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Why no one is speaking? Is there any questions until now?
Nothing, sir.
என்னடா இது அந்த பொடினை கேள்வி கேட்டு அந்த பொடினை ஆன்சர் பண்ணிட்டுமே Where are others? Bandara. මොනාර ප්‍රශ්නක් තියනවාද? දුෂාන්ත, මයුරේෂන්, හම්සවාහිනී, ඉසුරු, කීර්තන, නසියා, නස්රීන්, රුවන්, මුරලී, සාගරිකා, ශාහිදා, සුහදා, Vishali, Sulaiha, any issues? Can't. We get an easy image than this one, so it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard for people. Okay. Not hard. Not hard. Okay, anyways, I'll just tell this one. We'll finish it. We'll give some work. Yeah. Then we'll see how people do. Okay. Don't think too much. It's easy. So we need the same mirror. So I'm going to choose these lines. I'm going to mirror on the left-hand side. So what is the command I do? I'll put mi, enter. So what is the axis I'm going to copy along? Along this line, I'm going to do the mirror. So I'm choosing this point. See? You can choose this side or you can choose this side. So we can choose anyway. Fine. So I'm choosing here. And then there's an option coming. See, erase source object. If I put yes, what will happen? Source means this is the source. So the erase option. If I put yes, this will get erased. And if I put no, that will remain. Fine. So we have got the diagram. So I need to join these two lines. What can I do? I need to join these two lines. Only that is the only part you have to do. And also we have to draw another line also upside. So how do I do this? Before that, shouldn't we delete the central vertical line? Yeah, we can delete. We can delete it. No worries. We can delete that line. So how do you connect these two lines? So we are going to learn a new command here. Extend. Extend. Would it be fine? Extend. Will it work?
Fill.
Vilangala.
Fill.
Fill. Fill Husa. Fill. What is the command? புதுசா இருக்கே.
Sorry sir, fillet sir.
அதுதானே பார்த்தேன். வைக்கலாம் ஒரு நல்ல ஸ்லோகன். நதீர் தான் கடவுள் அப்படின்ட்டு. Okay, what do you do? So somebody has sent me a message. We can do extend. Will the extend command work here? Where does the extend command possible? Extend command is possible when we have lines like this, Puta. Okay, when we have two lines like this, let's say in this diagram, which line will extend to which line? There are two lines. Let's say this is 1, this is 2. Can we extend this line to this line? Can we extend the number 1 to number 2?
Line 2 to 1.
Yeah, 2 to 1. That is the only possible we can do. So we choose initially, which one you should choose when you're extending a line? Which one you choose first of all? This line or this line? When you're extending a line.
Horizontal lines.
So this line you will choose, is it? So everybody accepting this one? So this is the first line we should choose when extending a line, is it?
Yes.
Totally, everybody is wrong. Ne? Only one person has said in a message the vertical line. Exactly. Thank you. So only one person had got it right. We should choose this line. We are going to extend this one. Ne? So අපි extend කරන පැත්ත ඒ line එක මුලින්ම choose කරන්න. Extend பண்ண போற line එක முதல்ல choose பண்ணணும். So we have to choose this one. Then we'll put EX. Then we'll select it will extend. Okay. So here we can't do extension. Why? These two are on the same levels. Yeah. So what we do is we choose an option called J, join. So we'll choose this one, enter. So it will be joined.
Shortcut la படிச்சோம் ஏற்கனவே.
This we are going to learn a new shortcut. So J is the new one we are learning today. Join. Fine. Okay. So should be clear with the extend. Extend we can't use anyways. We'll check whether it's possible. So I'll undo. So I am selecting this. I'm typing EX. Enter. See, it does not intersect with the bounding edge. But in case if let's say if I'm having a line like this over here, okay, I'm having a line like this here. So I want to extend this line to this one. Okay, then I can choose which one should I choose then if I'm going to extend this line to here to the left hand side.
Horizontal one.
The vertical line.
Vertical line. So we should choose this one. EX, enter. See, now it works. So everybody's clear the different ways we can do a drawing. Fine. So the easiness, the time saving, that is the reason we're using different shortcuts. If not, we can do in a different way. Okay, now we have to draw this line, right? So that is this one we'll learn later. So for now, we'll just connect these points because the tangent point will be shown when you put the snap mode on. So I'm connecting the dots. Fine. So here, tell me in this question, what are the new things we learned? So we are done with the image. Okay, about joining neither, and also about extension, how to do extension. Yeah, we have learned it, but practically to see the way. And also about putting the dimensions. If you're going to denote a radius, we can do like this. And if you're going to, I mean, from the center to the circumference, you put a dimension line and show. Okay. And if you're going to show what you call the radius, diameter, so here we will show the radius. And if you're going to show the diameter, we are going to show on the circumference. So you will put arrow to the circumference and then you will put the diameter. So there are different methods, right? So both are correct. So depending on, the requirement, the standards, we should go with that. Fine. Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
So உள்வட்டத்துல ஆரே வந்து 2 மீட்டர் தானே சார்?
Yeah, I think there's a mistake. No, select one point on a different thing. Okay. Okay, fine. Can anybody tell me the reason? Sign to. Okay, we'll see who has got a good brain.
சார் அந்த அங்கால உள்ள கோடு வந்து மையத்துல இல்ல தானே சார்? மையத்துக்கு மேல தானே இருக்கு.
Oh, you mean the left side இருக்கதா?
ரைட் சைடுல இருக்குது.
மையத்துல இல்லையா? Why not?
It is.
It is in the center.
கீழே dot ஒன்று விளங்குது சார். நான் நினைச்சேன் அது மையம்.
இல்ல see if I'm choosing the line அடிச்சிட்டு if I'm choosing the circle, the center is shown here.
சின்ன கெப் ஒன்று தானே சார் ரெண்டு நடுவுல.
இல்ல நான் இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தான் அளக்குறேன். see see the blue line அந்த சென்டர்ல தான் கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. okay, this dot on the center. I need answer. Okay, let's see who is going to find this answer. Why we are getting 1.8792, not 2? We drew a radius of 2, right? What is the
The
reason
left
for
line
that?
is not touch on that circle edge,
It is touching the circle edge, ne?
not at the center.
So no, you're saying not in the same level, neither.
Yeah, not in same level. Yes.
So what we should do? What is the command we should put to check that? Good, huh? Somebody's answer becomes someone's question. Yeah, tell. What is the command I should put to check that? Quickly. DIM?
DIM.
Sadly, not DIM, DIMA. Ne? Dim aligned. So I'm going to choose, let's say, okay, let's choose from here. So you all mean to say this, right? If you're choosing this way, we are getting 2. But here, the point has changed. It's not on the same line, right? So we have drawn a horizontal line, but it is not in the horizontal level, right? If you want to get a horizontal line, then we'll draw and we'll get it. If not, I can use what? Dim aligned. We can get any point on the circle. See, we can get on this side also. So we will get the dimension. So it is important when you're marking the dimensions to get the correct point and the correct, whether we are getting a linear, a vertical or horizontal or aligned line. So that is very important. Fine. Okay. So now we'll do another one. Okay. We'll draw this one. What is this one? What is this symbol? Oh, we'll draw. Okay, this one, very easy. What is this symbol? Yeah, we can guess by seeing the diagram also. Ne? D2 is what?
எது சார் கேக்குறீங்க?
The D2.
Dough.
What is this? Yeah.
கால்வட்டம்.
Is a dough. Yeah, dough. Okay. So we'll try to draw this one. So I'll send a screenshot. So check your chat. Okay. So now tell me the commands we do. So what is the typical size of a bathroom door? Typical means the usual. Typical, the word typical means usual. What is the typical size of a bathroom door?
சார் அகலம் வந்து ஒரு 2.5 feet. ഉയരം വന്നൊരു 5 feet.
5 feet. So Nadir is telling the width of a bathroom door is 2.5 feet and the height is 5 feet. Any other answer?
Height is incorrect.
Height is incorrect. No, but the other dimension is good. Okay, good. 5 feet means it's good for for kids, but standard height comes in 7 feet. Ne? Okay, so here we have a plan view. Ne? So we need only the width to consider here. So how do you draw this? So initially I'm asking about the arc line. There's one here. Ne? How do you draw this arc line? This one's dimension, sometimes you may not know the dimension of the frame because you're not used to that. Ne? So I'll do that for you people. Okay. So let's say to put a line. So what is the length of what is the width of the door? We'll say 30 inches, 2.5 feet or 30 inches. I'll put 30, enter. Okay, so this is the width of the actual door, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw the frames. So let's imagine it's like 3 inches and then 2, then let's say there's 1 inch, 1 inch, and then thing like this. Okay, let's imagine. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to mirror this MI, mirror along the center. Okay, so that is done. Then I'm going to do what? I'm going to initially measure this one, how much we have internally. So it's 2 feet and 2 inches, right? So I'm going to put the door 2 feet, 2 inches, enter. And then the thickness of the door, which is 1 inch. So I'll connect back again to here. Okay, so I'm done with that part. Now I need to draw the arc. So how do I draw the arc? Connecting this point and this point. This is the path the door is opening. Okay, why do you need arc? Why do you need to show the arc in a door? What is the reason? Is there a reason or is it just to, look at it? Reason? Why do you need this arc? Why?
To show the proper opening area with that dimension aligned.
Pretty close. And somebody has said in the message, we have to open and close the door. Okay. So we need to open and open and close the door. So why should we show the arc? What is the point in showing the arc? Why? Why do you need to keep an arc? Why should you show arc in a door?
Space measurement.
Space. Yeah, space, of course. Like, let's see, here is the bathroom. So the command and the bathroom shower area is shown and the sink is shown. So we can predict when the door is, how the door is going to open. And also the direction of the the opening of the door, ne? Yeah, which direction we are showing. So from here to here, sometimes the door can be outside, or the door can open to this direction. The problem is when you are giving to, the simple workers, they will not understand that if you are not given the arc properly. Fine. See, if we had faced that kind of issues, you will know what is the importance of showing an arc. So since we have faced, and so that's what I'm insisting to show the arc. Fine. So the arc direction is important. Fine. So what is the option? What is the tool we are going to do to show the arc? There's a tool. Excuse me. There's a tool called arc, ARC, which is the shortcut A. So it says specify start point of the arc. So we can specify the start point. We need the start point to be this. And the next point is this. So now we had to choose the radius. So what is the radius we are going to choose? So we have come to this kind of a point. What we do now? We have got a different arc now. And delete. We can come back again. Arc. So we are choosing which is the point. So when you close the door, this last point is gonna come and sit on this place, right? So we are choosing this one. So this is the arc we need, right? So where the arc is gonna come? So we can roll like this also. Then what we can do if the arc has come like this way? What we can do? Like we can draw in a different way also. I'm asking if we have come to this part, what we do next? Yes.
Delete that left side excess.
Yeah. Yes. So we can do a trim. TR, double enter. We can do that. Simple enough. And we need to delete this one also. So done. So we'll get the door with the arc. Okay. So we have learned few today about joining and arc and extension, how to do extend the line and things like that. So please go through practice. And out of 18 people available today, how many of you will install AutoCAD? At least today. How many of you all install AutoCAD? Let's install. Somebody has raised a hand. Who was that? Bhuvan, Mayuration, Nazreen. Only 3 people have installed AutoCAD. You can raise a hand or you can drop a message in the chat. How many of all install AutoCAD? Oh, we are learning AutoCAD, so we should do that, right? Without that, this is like, You don't know Japanese, but you are watching a Japanese movie. You don't know what you're learning even. Yeah, we can do this one with subtitles. Okay, so try to install that. I have already given the link how to install. All the things are given. So if you have chosen to learn AutoCAD means you should anyways gonna have a PC or a lab. Try to do something with that if possible. If you don't have a PC or laptop, I'm not gonna tell you buy and do that. Try as possible. But in Android and all, there is an app where you can view the AutoCAD drawings, but can't do that. You can't do a drawing there, but you can view. So that option is there. Okay, so quickly tell me what are the things you have learned today?
So join பார்த்தோம், அடுத்தது external பார்த்தோம், arc பார்த்தோம்.
Okay. Join. We saw J. Arc. A.
Yeah.
What else?
Extend எப்படி பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தோம்.
Yeah, like how to choose every other சரியான idea. You didn't have a proper idea. Now I think you have a proper idea how to build the extension tool, right? So any questions in today's sessions? Any doubts? Any questions? Any doubts?
சார்,
Yes.
நீங்க அந்த ஆஹான்னு சொல்றீங்க தானே சார்?
Aha.
அப்படி சொல்லுவீங்க தானே சார்? பேசிட்டு போகல ஆஹான்னு சொல்லுவீங்க தானே சார்?
Aha. And they person only.
அந்த வடிவேல் சொல்ற மாதிரியே இருக்கு சார்.
I see. Okay, we'll trim that part hereafter.
இல்ல சார், நல்லா இருக்கு சார், சொல்லுங்க.
Comedy. Okay. Fine. So no more questions, right? Any doubts? So we'll see. I'll give some work, but the issue is if I give a work, how will you do? That's the issue I'm thinking of. But actually, some people, just giving some good commands while doing the question. That's good to see, even without having AutoCAD and all. Yeah. Or Mayureshan, Shuhada, Nadir, Isuru, Hamza Vaini. So people are good involved. Yeah. Can you tell again how to get that 45-degree? So somebody has said, sir, I had a coverage issue when you turned the rectangle. Can you tell again how to get that 45-degree? So I don't think too much about the degrees, angles. So we'll be learning that back again. So since if it is a 45 degrees, is the 45 degrees name? So this length and let's say this length means that's length over here. That length and there's a length coming over here. So these two lengths are same. So not that length, actually this one. These two are same when it's a 45 degrees, the height and this one. So I'm drawing that two lines and then connecting this line. So like this. I draw this line. Okay. What are the lines I'm drawing? I'm drawing this line and this line. The horizontal and the vertical line. After that, I'm connecting these two points. Fine. Then I'll get a 45. Then I'll delete this line. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir. Thank you.
Okay, then we'll see next class. Okay, then. Good night and have a good weekend, everyone.
You too, sir.
Okay, bye. Good night.
Okay, good night, sir.